How to get Yandere simulator on school Chromebook. So if you want to get Yandere simulator on school Chromebook, then what you need to do is first you just need you need to use your Linux mode or use alternatives like online extractors or Android apps that support RAR files like Windows 10. So open browser and then search for Yandere simulator. And once you've searched, you will get this kind of interface. You need to go with the official website. And once you click on the website, you will have the download button on the top. You need to click on the download section. Once you click on the download, you need to use the launcher below to download this simulator. So you just need simply go with the launcher or download launcher right here. You need to click on it. Or if you're not being able to download the launcher, you need to go with the zip file, which is right here. So you need to click on the zip file and download it. Once you downloaded the zip file, you need to go with the file explorer. And on your file explorer, you can go with downloads and you'll find your downloaded simulator zip file. Right. After downloading, you can right click on the setup and extract the file. You'll have extract all option, extract it. And after extracting, just double click on it and it will start the installation process and your simulator will be installed. That's how you can install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.